Hey there, Globetrotters! Ready to embark on a journey that will change the way you travel forever? Ever wished you could chat with anyone, anywhere in the world? Imagine the doors that would open, the friendships you could forge, and the experiences you could have. Well, guess what? With a little help from your friend Language Bridge, you totally can. Language Bridge is here to guide you through the ins and outs of conversational English. We're about to unlock the magic of English, the universal language of adventure. Whether you're hiking through the mountains or exploring a bustling city, English can be your key to a richer experience. It's way easier and more fun than you think. Picture yourself laughing with locals, sharing stories, and making memories. We're not talking about boring grammar rules here. No tedious drills or endless vocabulary lists. Nope, we're diving into the exciting world of essential English phrases. These are the phrases that will help you order food, ask for directions, and even make new friends. These are your secret weapons to navigate new places and make friends along the way. Imagine the confidence you'll feel when you can communicate effortlessly. Think of it like this. Learning key English phrases is like packing the perfect suitcase. You want to be prepared for anything that comes your way. You wouldn't stuff it with useless things, right? You'd pack smart, bringing only what you need to make your journey smooth and enjoyable. You want the essentials, the items that'll make your trip smooth and unforgettable. The same goes for language. You need the phrases that will make your interactions seamless and memorable. That's exactly what we're doing with English. We're packing your linguistic suitcase with the most useful and practical phrases. So, are you ready to ditch the phrase book and start speaking with confidence? Let's go. Together, we'll make your travels more enriching and your conversations more meaningful. Let's dive in and start talking the talk. Picture this. You're strolling through the bustling streets of Rome, the aroma of freshly baked pizza filling the air. The vibrant colors of the market stalls catch your eye, and the sound of street musicians fills your ears. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. Suddenly, you realize you're lost. The winding streets and narrow alleys all start to look the same, and you can't remember which way you came from. Don't panic, my friend. With a simple phrase, you can ask for help and find your way back to that delicious pizza. It's easier than you think. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to destination, please? This phrase is your lifeline in a foreign city. You're politely asking for directions. It's a universal sign of respect and humility. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the Colosseum, please? Imagine the relief when someone points you in the right direction. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the Trevi Fountain, please? The iconic landmarks are just a question away.
Of course. Go straight down this road, then take the second left. You can't miss it. Directions are often simple and straightforward. Grazie mille. Thank you so much. A little gratitude goes a long way.
In many countries, it's considered polite to start with a greeting before asking for help. It sets a friendly tone for the conversation. Try buongiorno, good morning, afternoon. In Italy, it's a warm and welcoming way to start your request. Or bonjour, good morning, afternoon. In France, I'm sorry I don't speak French, can you help me in English, please? A simple greeting can make a world of difference in how you're received. Learning a few key phrases in the local language can enhance your travel experience immensely. It shows respect for the culture and can open doors to more meaningful interactions. So, don't let the fear of getting lost hold you back. Embrace the adventure and remember that help is just a phrase away. With a little preparation and a positive attitude, you can turn any travel mishap into a memorable experience. If all else fails, Google to the rescue. Happy travels! Let's be real. One of the best parts of traveling is trying new and exciting foods. The flavors, the aromas, the textures, each bite is an adventure in itself. Whether it's a spicy street food snack or a gourmet dish at a high-end restaurant, food is a universal language that brings people together. But how do you order that mouth-watering dish if you don't speak the language? Easy. With a few handy phrases and a bit of confidence, you can navigate any menu like a pro. These simple phrases will have you dining like a local in no time. Imagine walking through a bustling market, the air filled with the scent of fresh spices and grilled meats. You spot a dish that looks absolutely delicious. I'd like to order, please. This phrase is your golden ticket to culinary delight. It's polite, straightforward, and universally understood. You're ready to order your food. Just make sure to smile and maybe even point at the menu item if you're unsure about pronunciation. I'd like to order the paella, please. Paella, a traditional Spanish dish, is a must-try. The combination of saffron-infused rice, fresh seafood, and savory meats is simply irresistible. You, looking at the menu with delight. The menu is like a treasure map, each item a hidden gem waiting to be discovered.
Can I help you, sir? The waitstaff are usually very helpful and can offer recommendations if you're unsure what to order. Yes, I'd like to order the chicken tacos, please. Tacos are a fantastic choice, especially if you're in a place known for its vibrant street food culture. Excellent choice. And for you to drink, just water, please. Sometimes keeping it simple is the best way to go, especially if you're planning to try multiple dishes.
In some countries, it's common to share tables with strangers. This might feel a bit unusual at first, but it's a wonderful opportunity to engage with locals and fellow travelers. Don't be shy. It's a great way to meet new people. You might end up making new friends, learning about hidden gems in the area, or even getting tips on what to order next. So go ahead, embrace the experience and enjoy every bite of your culinary adventure. Okay, let's get real for a second. While we all hope for smooth sailing on our adventures, it's always smart to be prepared for the unexpected. Knowing a few key emergency phrases can be lifesavers, literally. Help, you need immediate assistance. Shouting, help, I need a doctor. Ouch.
Are you okay? I think I need a doctor. My knee really hurts. Don't worry, I'll call for help.
Memorize the local emergency number, like 911 in the United States. Keep a small card with this information and the address of your accommodation handy, just in case. Section 5. Money matters. Paying for your adventures. From souvenirs to street food, you'll need some local currency to experience all your destination has to offer. Don't worry, managing your money is a breeze with these handy phrases.
Interested in this beautiful piece? A work of art? It's lovely. How much does it cost? For you, my friend, 20 euros.
Cultural tip. In some cultures, bargaining is expected. Don't be afraid to negotiate a fair price, but always be respectful. Section 6. Time flies when you're having fun. Asking for directions. Time is precious, especially when you're exploring a new place. Make sure you don't miss a beat with these helpful phrases for asking about time and directions.
It's 2:45. Oh no, I'm going to miss my train.
Cultural tip. In some cultures, it's considered rude to be glued to your phone in public. If you need to check the time, try to be discreet or ask a local. Section 7. Accommodation adventures finding your home away from home. Whether you're staying in a cozy hostel or a luxurious hotel, knowing how to communicate your needs is essential for a comfortable stay. Receptionist. Welcome to the Grand Hotel. How can I assist you? Hello, I have a reservation under the name Ellen DeGeneres. Receptionist. Ah yes, Miss DeGeneres, we've been expecting you. Cultural tip. In some countries, it's customary to remove your shoes before entering a home or certain establishments. Pay attention to what others are doing and follow suit. Section 8. Culture counts, navigating social customs. Every culture has its own unique customs and etiquette. While you're not expected to know them all, a little awareness goes a long way in showing respect and avoiding misunderstandings. Thank you so much for your help. You've been very kind.
You're welcome. I'm always happy to help.
Cultural tip. In some cultures, it's considered impolite to point with your index finger. Instead, use an open hand gesture or your thumb. Section 9. Test your travel talk. A quick quiz. All right, adventurers, time to put your newfound language skills to the test. See if you can complete these common travel phrases. 1. Excuse me, could you blank me how to get to the nearest bank? 2. I'd blank to order the spaghetti carbonara, please. 3. Help, I blank my passport. 4. How blank does this souvenir cost? 5. Excuse me, do you blank the time? Answers. 1. Tell. 2. Like. 3. Lost. 4. Much. 5. Have. Section 10. Congratulations, world traveler. Give yourself a round of applause. You've just taken a crash course in essential English phrases, and you're well on your way to becoming a confident global citizen. Remember, the key is to practice, practice, practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they'll become. Section 11. Keep the adventure going. This is just the beginning of your English-speaking adventure. There's a whole world of words and phrases out there waiting to be discovered. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the journey, explore new horizons, and never stop learning. Happy travels!